The story originated from a worldwide problem. The urban heat island effect has made many city dwellers seek refuge in cooler places. However, the rural areas are not ideal destinations either, as they are often overcrowded and inconvenient for daily living. The production and living of human beings in cities will generate heat and greenhouse gases, which will keep the urban temperature at a higher level. Then it causes the heat island effect. The heat island effect is gradually becoming a global problem. As more people migrate to urban areas and demand more resources and services, the urban density increases rapidly, creating a phenomenon known as the heat island effect. A serious truth is that the highest temperature in Asia reaches 57.8 degrees Celsius. Shocking. According to statistics, about 61 cities in China have serious heat island problems and become urban stoves. Also, the bad weather has once again caused crop failures, the hollowing out of rural areas, the shortage of urban food supply, the stagnation of crops and other problems. All pose a fatal threat to the building of cities in rural society. And how to find a balance? The ancients, the answer lies in the landscape. We put forward a new design philosophy of urbanscape. We trying to explore a feasible, desirable, swimmable and livable Shanshui city, maintain the industrial and service attributes of the city itself, responding to the relationship between nature, humanities and the city, and exploring a dualistic integration of urban and rural functions. We use 4 MX4M modules designed for 5 types of foundations, and combine the site characteristics to carry out modular construction, and customized function configuration for living, planting, etc. Single module uses warm bamboo, wood, stone and other materials. We find rules from landscape painting and traditional Chinese gardens, and combine the basic modules into groups according to the relationship between reality and functions. The basic modules are combined to form a large life circle. Finally, a complete crop circle, wide chain will be formed. Take Su Zhou as an example. It is one of the hottest cities in China, and it is also a famous ancient city. Generate a grid covering the whole site, forming the thermal values for the different heights of the site according to the different building functions, using the metabolic algorithm to reflect the local population density. Connection of peak locations on the thermal map and slice analysis according to the direction of the connection to form a building foundation profile. In order to break up the isolation relationship between peaks and place with the high value, the base shape of the slices is extended by 2 m in width, and a grid of 8 m*8 m is formed inside to accommodate the different functional modules that will be formed by subsequent stacking. Bringing the areas with high and low vitality values to activate the ancient city, and architectural visualization of the vitality value, which is based on Shanshui painting. We extracted mounting image and implanted 8 mx8 m frame. Randomly arrange the form module combination with the characteristics of the land, and put it into a complete garden, viewing and cooling root system to absorb the vertical heat of the city. Mountains and waters are scattered all over the city, so people can enjoy the cool everywhere and experience the pastoral life. The city is no longer so hot, and the natural and ecological attributes of rural countryside have been combined with the city. This is what we call as urbanscape.